Oh, there we go.
It's her song. I'm just following it.